Day 2 in Colorado. Our first stop is at Meeker Park Lodge, where we pick up some much needed supplies.
Oh, what we need is a sponge.
A sponge?
Yeah. And maybe a moth murderer.
Oh yeah. Excuse me, do you have any sponges or anything to murder moths with, please? Oh, I've got a sponge.
You got a sponge.
If you want to see more about our minor mouth problem, you'll have to check out Rise of the Drone on this channel.
Stay away from the light.
We have fly sweaters right here.
Ow! You hit my hand.
And we ask for some information.
Wondering what your availability is for horseback riding this week. If you guys have any, if you know offhand. They said to check in with you, maybe.
We get distracted
or should I
easily.
Maybe walk over
I want
to
some
the stables.
peanuts.
Yeah, they look good.
Okay. The Wranglers just walked down there, so someone
cool.
will be able to help you out down there.
Awesome, great. Thank you so much.
So we grabbed our nuts and we hit the road. And we were on our way to explore Estes Park. We conveniently made a wrong turn and ended up at the world famous Stanley Hotel. So we casually pulled up to the front. Not only was the Stanley Hotel home to this classic comedy, but it was also the place where Stephen King got the idea to write The Shining.
Here's Johnny!
The Stanley Hotel is also known for a number of hauntings on the premises.
Come play with us, Daddy. Forever and ever and ever.
So we said farewell to the Stanley Hotel and we headed to downtown Estes Park for lunch.
What's the wait time?
So for outside, it's looking to be around 45 minutes, and inside, it's also looking to be around 45 minutes.
With 45 minutes to kill, we did some speed window shopping.
A Christmas shop. Year round. All these little candy shops. What?
We did this a couple times.
Are they promoting you to get naked?
Huh?
And get in there and get in the nude.
I'm guessing they keep doing it around.
Before we knew it, our 45 minutes was up and it was time to head back to the restaurant.
We're sitting at Poppy's Pizza and Grill, and we've got some pizza, some more pizza, and a fish sandwich for Craig.
Yep.
Because, yum.
Yay, let's eat.
Let's dig in.
As we ate lunch, we were serenaded by the lovely sounds of the babbling creek. Feeling revitalized by lunch, Craig gave us a review.
There's Craig.
I'm enjoying the beautiful snow-capped mountains over there. Wonderful sky. Lovely town. It's park. Nice flowers. All the colours.
All the flowers. And we went on the search for Mary's fudge.
How excited are you?
Woo!
That's good. That's for sure.
We got a turtle. We got a vanilla. We got ourselves a peanut butter and a plain chocolate. Way to do it.
Nice. Let's go.
We did a little bit more exploring in Estes Park.
The slightly haggard unicorn.
Since the sun came out, we decided to go to Lilly Lake to do some walking and to fly the drone for a little bit.
Kick or gore you?
I don't want to be gored. Do you want to be a gourd?
Not really.
Oh man, he looks so cute and harmless.
Hello.
On our way to fly the drone, I spotted this little guy.
Damn! He's huge!
It's like that.
He's huge. Can I get to him?
Chipmunk, more like chip chunk.
Oh, he's coming after me! He's coming after me!
At that moment, I thought to myself, where are my nuts?
Jesus Christ! I warned you.
Time to fly the drone.
Freak it out. Okay, here we go. Take off. So scary.
And you caught it. Woohoo!
We head back because it got a little windy and we're afraid of the wind.
Some loud wind. The water moving, the surface of the water.
Yeah. I'm surprised the drone did so well. Seeing how windy it is.
With one more quick appearance from this little guy, we decided to go home and make dinner.
I don't know if I have the most presentable taco. From the taco cam to your taco.
I don't know.
Back to your taco.
Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.
Oh, does this hurt?